Adding a line to your Cricket wireless plan costs between $10 and $15 per month for each additional line, depending on your base plan. The basic unlimited plan charges $10 per month for each additional line, while premium plans with international roaming cost $15. There's also a one-time activation fee of $10 to $20, which is often waived during promotions. Plus, factor in 8 to 12% for state taxes. For example, your account summary might show the total due, including these add-on costs. To save money, look for autopay discounts that reduce costs by up to $5 per line, bundle deals with accessories, or loyalty perks like military discounts that cut costs by 10%. Also, watch for free extra line promotions where new activations get a free line for 6 to 12 months with autopay enrollment. You can easily add a line to your Cricket wireless plan through the Cricket app or website. Just log in, go to Manage Lines, select Add a Line, enter the necessary details, and complete the payment. The process usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes for instant activation. Alternatively, you can visit a Cricket store or call customer service at 1-800-CRICKET. But keep in mind that processing might take 24 to 48 hours. Before adding a line, always check for current promotions to maximize savings. Using the app can also help you track usage per line, allowing you to optimize costs effectively.